Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a vloggy type thing. I'm going out for like 3 hours to try to find a job because I need one. Because money. This is really weird for me right now because like here is my mirror. That's my mirror. And then here I also have the viewfinder, so my life is just confused. I don't know where to look. But yeah, so we're going to look for some jobs and hope that goes well. It's so nice today. I love it. But yeah, so let's go. Hey guys, I'm back at the end of the video. I'm really hot, just give me 1 second. Okay, while I was out handing resumes, I went to Booster Juice and the manager there was like, "How old are you?" I'm like, 18. He's like, "So did you graduate or are you graduating now?" I'm like, "I already graduated." He's like, "I like your availability and your age." And I was like, alright, don't know what that means, but okay. And then as I was walking home, I fell down the hill near my house and like my wrist hurts and like this whole side of my body hurts. And that wasn't cool. While handing out resumes, I got distracted and went to Rocky Point, and I love BC. The Vancouver area where I live is so nice because we have everything. We have mountains, we have the ocean, we have city, we have like country, we got everything. If you ever want to go somewhere that has everything, come to BC because we got it. Promise you. That's it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. I'm actually going downtown for the next 2 days, so I'll have a lot of film for that, and I will combine the 2 days into one video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye!